short video this week, if it's even going to be a video. The weather is absolutely miserable this morning. It's grey and dull, and it's completely not worth taking any photos of any birds because they'll just be dull. So the plan was last night to come out and do some landscape photography and some drone photography. I've just got my Sigma lens back. Well, not back, I've got a new lens. So I've had that come yesterday. So I just wanted to give that a go, make sure everything was fine with that. I've updated my camera firmware. And I wanted to check that was okay. Also updated my drone firmware and bought some filters for it. So I wanted to kind of give everything a little bit of a test, a little bit of a run through, just to make sure everything was still working okay, and that was it really. So what I decided to do was go over and take some shots of the bridge in my village. It's like an old bridge that goes over the river, and I wanted to get some shots of that with the drone, which I think I've done this morning. But as I said, the light's not very good, but I think I've still got a couple of decent shots. And then I came over to this field where I've took photos of this tree a few times, and I thought, well, I don't think I've ever took that photo of that tree with my new camera, so I'll just see what that turns out like. I grabbed a quick shot, but it's just dull skies and just flat light, and it's just horrible. But I'll show you those anyway. In fact, I'll show you them now. One thing just before I forget is that my followers on YouTube are nearly at the 500 mark. I think it's 494, which I'm happy about, because I think this time last year I think I had 50 followers. So it's done well. Could do better. So if you haven't liked and subscribed, can you, if you would, like and subscribe? Really appreciate it. When I went to set my camera up, I thought I'd do some recording on the a7iv because I normally record on my a6-400. So I connected all the Rode mic up and everything. Realised that it was peaking a little bit too much for the volume of the sound. Tried to turn that down and my Rode mic died on me. So I obviously never charged that up last time I went out. So that didn't happen, and then it started raining, and as you can see, I'm still in a t-shirt. I was umming and ahhing whether to bring a coat this morning, and it wasn't predicted to rain, but it did start raining, so I kind of panicked a bit and put everything away, and started heading for this bridge. Another thing I did want to quickly say is I also post my photos now on Vero, as well as Instagram, my Facebook page, and a couple of others that I don't really promote. So if you're on Vero and you want to give me a follow, it's the same name, Mark Burden Photography. I'd appreciate that as well, if you could. I'm walking back now. I'm not too bothered, if I'm honest, because I've got to go and get my wheels tracked on my car today, and I keep putting it off because I'm out. So hopefully I'll get a few photos on the way back, if not, thanks for watching. Until next time, which will probably be Middleton Lakes like it always is. But no, I'll go somewhere different. I might try Lady Walks. I haven't been there in a while, but it is still really quiet at the moment. Anyway, we'll see. Until next time.